Okay, welcome to this lecture on comments. So comments are just non-executable code that does not display on your website, and this is very useful, particularly when you need to remind yourself of something. Let's say you will have a to-do list, or you want to remind yourself of what a piece of code is doing, or you want to clarify logic, or you using comments for teamwork. So for example, I might tell my team, place all important paragraphs here, like so. If I save this and I refresh, so if I just go back to the site here which says Cetaceans, the Marvels of the Ocean, and we notice that here, this kind of code does not show here because it's a comment, right? This is like for future editing, for future references. And you can also use it to comment out code that you might not need and perhaps you might need later. Just to see here, let's just say I comment this out and I just put it like this in this tag, and notice that this is the paragraph we are referring to here, and it should disappear now because it's been commented out. It's now a comment. So there we go, it sort of disappears because it's a comment. So this could be quite useful when you're dealing with design. So perhaps you might want to try out different styles or different ideas, and you might want to remove comments for later. And of course, for team collaboration, as was already said, for clarifying complex logic, for temporary code removal, for code documentation, and to indicate to your team members what you were doing, or to your future self what you were doing here, or what you were doing there. So the convention and the way to remember this is you just open angle bracket, exclam dash dash, and then comment stuff dash dash dash, close angle bracket. That's the convention. All the stuff inside of these two dashes is your comments. So exclam dash dash, whatever goes into the two dashes here is your comment, and it will not display on the website, nor will it be executed as code. So just a final illustration. There we go.